Her mic is off. She cannot sing now. This is my stage.
Sara, your microphone is not working. You can stop. It is okay.
No, I will not stop. I will sing. With no mic. With only my voice. No, I will sing.
Sara, wake up! Today is the day! The big audition is today!
Yawn. Mama, I am scared. What if they don't like my voice?
Your voice is a gift, my love. God gave it to you. Do not be afraid.
Sara, I am proud of you. Win or lose, you are my champion.
Oh, Sara, you are here? How funny! Your voice is too small for this stage.
Please, Rhea. I am not here to fight. I am here to sing.
Then sing alone. Because nobody will help you here.
Her mic is off. She cannot sing now. Her mic is off. She cannot sing. This is my stage.
I'm sorry, Sara. There is a problem with the mic. We cannot hear you.
Sara, your microphone is not working. You can stop. It is okay.
Oh no, poor girl.
This is so sad.
She worked so hard.
No, I will not stop. I will sing. With no mic. With only my voice. Baba said I am a champion. Mama said my voice is a gift. I will sing. No, I will sing.
Keep singing. I will play for you. You are not alone.
I'm with you. Thank you. Thank you so much, Ben.
I've been chasing this light since I was just a child. But every door they opened for me, they shut it with a smile.
Oh my God. Her voice, it is so beautiful. Stand up. Stand up, everyone.
I saw what happened. Someone turned off her mic. This is not fair. Sara Fayum, you are selected.
But I did not do anything.
The camera recorded everything, Rhea. You cannot sing in this competition. Please leave.
Mama!
Baba! I did it! I am selected! I am going to the mega concert!
My baby, my brave, beautiful baby. I knew it. I always knew it. That's my girl.
My dear Sara, when they try to silence you, sing louder. Your voice can never be turned off.